another Bukkit Plugin Dev tutorial. So you probably noticed the layout of my clips is different. I have the Package Explorer, Project Explorer over here, and I removed stuff from the side and the bottom because I didn't need them. Anyway, so today we're going to be doing, my desktop is a mess, but I already recorded this once, and I accidentally deleted the video. So anyway, so today we're going to be doing locations and teleporting. So I'll just check this off again. And here we go. So start off, we want to add in another command. So I'm going to put else if, and you guys should know how to add in a command. So I'm going to be doing this kind of fast, and just teleport, so it doesn't interfere with /tp command. Now up here I did if sender instance of player. What I've been doing lately is if not sender instance of player, and then I just return true, so I don't do anything if it's a player, or if it's the console trying to do this. Now we do player equals and cast player to sender. Now we want to we want to create a new location. This is going to be where we are teleporting to. We're going to do new location. So the first argument here is the world that we want to teleport them to. So we're going to just do player.getWorld, because we won't be teleporting out of this world. And then we just want to do double.parseDouble args0. What double.parseDouble is you just change these to 1 and 2. And then we also have to import location, so you can hover over that and just click import. So what double.parseDouble does is, if you have, for example, so what we're doing here is, when you do a command, you do /teleport 555, for example. Now these three are the arguments, and this array up here is what you entered. So the 0th index of the array is 5, first and second. They're all 5, but they are all saved as strings. So when we do double.parseDouble, we're just converting a string to a double, and a double is like 5.3 something point something. Anyway, now we want to do player.teleport, and teleport them to the 2 to the location. Now we're also going to heal them. I think I had that checked off. There. We're going to heal them too. So what we want to do here is we want to do player.set health 20, and as you can see, it will underline it in yellow, because it thinks we're trying to use the set health with the integer, which is deprecated. So we want to just put a D at the end, lowercase or capital, and it will convert that number to a double, so that we're using the correct method. And then we also want to return true, just to tell it that we are we did something. Now one last thing is, if they do /teleport and they do like 4-2, we don't have a second, or I guess a third argument, but We don't have this last argument that we need. So then what will happen is in chat for the player it will say an internal server error occurred. And in the console it will have a null pointer exception, or non. It will actually have an array index out of bounds exception in the console because we don't have this this here. this isn't in the array. There isn't a second one. We only have two. So what we need to do is put a try catch here and put this and then catch array index out of bounds exception E. So what a try catch does, and I don't like that. What a try catch does is it tries to do all of this. If it gets this specific exception, then it will do this. We could also put just exception to be more general, have any exception, but we're going to do array index out of bounds exception. Alright. So now, when there is an array index out of bounds exception, so when we're missing one of these arguments, we are just simply going to tell the player how to use it. So we're going to use chatColor.red and tell them teleport x, y, z. We also want to here we're going to tell them that we did teleport successfully. Probably be able to tell, but teleported. And there we go. So now all we have to do is add it to the plugin.yml. So we're going to add that real quick. X, Y, and Z, and teleport to a location. And that's it. We just have to click here, click export, jar file, choose where you want to export it to and the name, and then make sure it says .jar, and finish. There we go. Okay, so now I'll start up the server and go in Minecraft. Alright guys, so I'm in Minecraft now, and we're going to test it. So we're going to try to, let's actually build up. Do I have any other plugins? No, I don't have welded in here. Okay. So we're just going to build up, and we're going to try to teleport on top of this stone. Just right up here. So it is 9. Type that in chat. 996 negative 175, and we're going to go down here, and we're going to do /teleport. And as you can see, it tells us we need our arguments, so we're going to put in our arguments, and look at that, we're on there. To make it more accurate in the middle of the block, what we can do is put 0.5 on 9 and negative 175. So if we come back down here, teleport, you can see we're right in the middle of the block. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.